Getting divorced in Canada? Let's break down the key financial and tax rules you absolutely need to know.
It's a massive financial reset, especially if there's a home involved. So where do you even start?
You might think it's about lawyers or assets. Nope. The very first step actually involves the government.
Okay, so this 90-day rule, that's the official trigger. It changes your marital status for tax purposes.
You have to tell the CRA. Seriously, not doing this can really mess up your taxes and benefits.
Okay, now for the two biggest assets, your home and pensions. These can get, well, tricky.
So if you sell the house, the money doesn't just go to you. It's held safely by lawyers.
But what if one person wants to sell and the other doesn't? It's a tough spot for sure.
Well, a court can actually force a sale. This stops one person from holding everything up indefinitely.
Right after the house, it's usually retirement savings. And yeah, there are specific tax rules for that.
It's called an RRSP rollover, but it has to be in a written agreement to be tax-free.
Then there's the Canada Pension Plan. It has its own rules for splitting up the credits you both earned.
Basically, all the credits you earn together get pooled and then split right down the middle, 50-50.
All right, let's switch gears to support payments. The CRA treats them very, very differently. See the difference? Spousal support is deductible for the payer and income for the receiver. Child support isn't. And remember, child support always comes first. You can't deduct spousal support until that's all paid up.
Here's one people always ask. What about legal fees? Can you deduct them? Well, it depends.
And here's the deal. If you're receiving support, yes. If you're paying it, nope. It's that simple.
So make sure your lawyer's invoice breaks it all down. You're going to need that for your taxes.
This is so important. It's emotional, I get it, but you've got to try to think logically about the money.
So let's recap. Tell the CRA, know the tax rules, and get professional advice. It's about protecting yourself.
Look, this stuff is complex, but knowing the rules really does put you back in the driver's seat.
So what's the one thing you can do right now to feel more secure about your future?